Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday the 2nd of December and Friday the 3rd of December 2021. As usual, we typically do not do a market preview for Fridays, and I don't think, well, possible this week we will, depending on what happens on Thursday. So here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form, and as you can see, another down day. It's trying to, the futures are showing a gap up in the morning like they were last night. We did gap up today, but sold off afterwards. So we'll see. Remember, that red static trend line can still be in play at a minimum, and that wouldn't be much. Or we can get a real breakdown in the markets based on all the things that are going on right now. So let's look at the daily charts. Got crude oil. Down up 41 cents to 65.98. Hanging near the lows of the last 6 months. Gold down $1.80. Sorry, not much there. I got the S&P cash lost 54 points by the end of the day. So this obviously looks pretty negative, generally speaking. NASDAQ 100 down 258.2 points. There's a head and shoulders formation there, guys. You can see that, right? So, and we're already undercutting the neckline of that, so that's ugly. But again, red static trend line, that would not be anything major. That's just 1,000 points back from here. So we'll see what happens. SOX is down 22. And, again, another outside day down, very negative. Biotech's down 106 points, also fairly negative and not looking good, right? Cracking the lows of the last several months. The Russell 2000 down 51.5, also negative. Remember, we were in this range all year, right? And we finally broke out of it. That looked positive. Well, now we're back at the lows of that range and looking like we might lose it. The Dow is down 461. Not that we really care about the Dow. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, back up 93 cents. Heading towards all-time highs. Bonds up, rates down, right? Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, negative 22.77. So, again, more stocks down than up. And probably in the bottom 6 or 7 of the year, days-wise. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, on the New York, negative 14.53. Trend closes up again at 1.61. That puts the 10-day way up at 1.25. It's very high. NASDAQ volume, 6.3 billion shares. Now, keep in mind, we've been saying this, the down days get the heavy volume, the up days have had the lighter volume. So we had the down day on Tuesday, then Wednesday we gapped up a little bit and sold off, and so you get the down day on Wednesday. A lot of volume again. The VIX up $3.93 to 31.12. Apple loses 53 cents after being up the prior day and much higher even earlier today. Amazon down 63 points and change. Facebook down 13.86. I mean, they're selling off some of these tech stocks. We've been talking about how badly they've been selling off some stuff while holding a couple of names high to keep the market up. But it's all becoming obvious now, right? Google down 16.92. Goldman Sachs down $2.51. Netflix down $24.13. That's a big loss for Netflix. Tesla down 49.76. Zoom down 13.70. So the COVID stock's not even getting helped by this. As a matter of fact, that looks really ugly. Peloton down $1.75. Bitcoin sits at 57,375. If we look at the intraday action on the futures, here's the ES. You can see we gapped up, pushed higher, topped out right up going into lunch, and then rolled over a bit in lunch, and then the after filled the gap coming out of lunch, and then just really sold off in the afternoon. So that's ugly. In terms of economic data that's left this week on Thursday, here in the U.S. anyways, Challenger job cuts at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Initial and continuing jobless claims at 8:30. Yellen speaking at 9. Natty Gas at 10:30. We've got a lot of Fed members speaking the rest of the morning. And then Friday, we've got the unemployment rate with the non-farm payroll number at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Final services PMI at 9:45. ISM services PMI at 10, along with factory orders. And that'll wrap up the week. And then again, we got another full week. Next week will be the quarterly futures contract roll on Thursday to Friday. And the week after that will be triple expiration for December. So charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading week.